So we've just arrived in Amsterdam, and here's the thing about arriving somewhere super early in the morning. Yeah, you get your whole day, but like the sun's not even out yet, nothing's open yet, and you can't see the sights yet.
That might have been a slight exaggeration. In fact, we started seeing some of the sights right after that. After seeing the square, we wandered around the famous canals of Amsterdam, waiting for the city to wake up, and more importantly, for the breakfast place we had chosen to open. This is the only drone footage I captured on the entire trip, because a little later in the day, I crashed my drone, Orville. We had a whole list of food to try in Amsterdam, and to start off, we wanted to sample the Dutch pancakes. But before we get to that, we just wanted to mention that the cheese omelet here was the best omelet we've ever eaten. Okay, so the Dutch pancake.
Well, it's terrible. Interesting. It's very thick. It tastes, it reminds me of Cracker Barrel pancakes, actually. But it has a similar flavor to Cracker Barrel pancakes, which I like a lot, actually.
The next food on the list are called puffertjes, which are basically small pancakes covered in nothing but butter and some powdered sugar.
Wow. Oh, so good.
Next, we visited the Anne Frank house, which was of course very sad. No video allowed here, so just this shot from the outside. Nearby, we popped into a cheese shop and sampled many varieties of Gouda and other Dutch cheeses, and then visited the cheese museum downstairs. It was as delightful as it sounds. Alright, enough messing around. It was time to have a stroopwafel. Sure, I like them fine when we're on a flight, but I wanted to try a freshly made one while here, and it did not disappoint.
Stroopwafel.
We made a goal to sample fries from each country we went to on this trip, so it was time for some frites.
So we got some Dutch style French fries. Garlic, Parmesan, and pink mayonnaise. Which we said, what's it pink? What is it? And they said it's just mayonnaise. That's pink. Oh man.
They're supposed to be crispier on the outside and like softer on the inside.
They are crispy.
But how is the pink mayonnaise?
Tastes like mayonnaise. After her saying it's just mayonnaise, then she said it, but she thinks it's better than the other one.
Because it's pink.
Oh yeah, these are really good.
On Fridays, we eat pink mayonnaise.
Next was the obligatory but very enjoyable canal boat tour. We went with Voyage Amsterdam, and they did a great job explaining the history of the buildings and the canals on this 2-hour tour. For instance, they pointed out the narrowest building entrance in the city, and also the leaning buildings that you see around. Finally, it was time to head towards the Van Gogh Museum, but unfortunately we didn't know that you needed to book it ahead of time, and we were way too tired to wait for the next time slot. So we headed for our hotel. But first...
So we got an apple beignet here from this food cart. We've never seen a dessert food cart. I'm sure they exist, but apple beignet fresh out of the fryer. Oh, hot. Hot, and I bit my tongue, bit my lip. It's been a rough day.
Why has it been so rough?
That's really good. Oh, has it been rough? Lost my train ticket immediately this morning. Crashed my drone. My knee's been hurting badly. I can barely walk for part of the day. I'm very tired because I got hardly any sleep the last 2 days. And there's probably other things.
You know what?
And I
makes it
just
feel better?
bit my lip and burnt my tongue within half a second of each other. Well, it can make it better. Apple beignet.
Yeah, apple beignet.
5 stars for this place called Chilbrum.
Worth it. I want the hot one.
It's all over your face. So they have a mirror. Jessica says make sure you don't get powdered sugar on your face because she had it all over her face. My question is, how does she know? Does she read Dutch all of a sudden? It reminds me when we were in Germany and somebody asked her to take a picture in German and she said, yeah. I was like, I didn't know you spoke German. You're amazing.